Today I'm making a colorful spider web. I'll start out by drawing a diagonal line from one corner of my paper all the way across to the other corner. Then I'll draw another diagonal line connecting the other two corners. So now I have a big X on my paper. Now I'll draw a straight line from the top to the bottom of the paper through the middle of the X. Then I'll turn and draw another line, top to bottom, through the middle of the X. These are the radial threads of my spider web. Now I'm going to start in the middle of my web and draw a curved line like a smile between two of my radial thread lines. I'll draw another curved smile line between the next two radial thread lines, making sure to connect it to the other smile line. I'll keep drawing smile lines around and around, connecting them to each other until I reach where I started. Now I'm going to draw the same kinds of smile lines right above the first ones. They're going to get longer and wider as they get farther away from the middle of the web. I'll draw these smile lines around and around and around until I reach the edge of my paper and can't draw any more. These lines represent the capture threads of a spider web. Now when I'm satisfied with how my web looks, I'm going to turn my paper over and write my name on the back. Then I'll get some paint and it'll be time to add some color. Now I'm washing my brush really well in the water, and I'm drying it really well with the washcloth. The temper paint that we're using today works best when the paintbrush is as dry as possible after washing. So really get some use out of that washcloth today. Painting lots of different colors all over my web shows variety. You don't have to do exactly what I'm doing, but I do want you to fill each section of your web with more than one color. Paint neatly and completely, take your time, and do your best. And always remember to wash off your brush in the water and dry it on the cloth before you pick a new color of paint.